What's happening, guys? My name is David, and today I'm sitting in my home office, just about to get started with work. But before I got rolling, I was like, I really want to share something that I've been working on with you guys. Before I dive too deep, though, just a little bit of background on me. I've been working as a developer advocate for about 7 months now. And before I got into this role, I was like, I have no clue what a developer advocate even does. So, I wanted to share with you guys what it's like being a developer advocate. I'll walk you through my day-to-day life, how I maintain work-life balance, talk through all the things that go into developer advocacy, and give you guys a peek into my life, some of the things I'm working on. I have a lot of fun projects that I'm looking forward to share. I was really inspired by a bunch of people like, Casey Neistat, Jeff Geerling, of course Linus Tech Tips, but, who isn't inspired by Linus? With that, I've got a lot going on in my personal life. Just had a new baby, Micah. He's 1 month old. Have a 2-year-old, almost 3-year-old, Emma. Hey, where do you think we're gonna go?
We're gonna go to the store and go to other store and get the picture.
We're going to the pet store and the other store to get the pictures? Wah! Look at that. And a whole lot of stuff going on right now in my life, so I want to share that with you guys. With that, as a first vlog, I kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of the kit that I'm using on a day-to-day as an advocate and that I'm going to be using to record this vlog. A lot of these pieces might not be super relevant to everyone. I admittedly am getting this through work, so I have a little bit more budget to play with than most, but this is just kind of a look into what a setup looks like. So with that, let's get rolling. So the camera that I use on a daily basis is the Sony ZV-E10. It's the successor to the A6400, and it's a really nice camera even though it is a crop sensor. It has USB-C for charging and can also do streaming over that, which I use it for a webcam a lot. Mounted to it, we have the Sony E-mount 11mm f1.8 lens. So this lens is super wide angle and gives me a really nice bokeh, and additionally has in-lens stabilization. All this is mounted to my small rig cage. The small rig cage gives you all sorts of additional mount points around the camera and still gives you access to your battery. This is all mounted on top of the Mantis Pod Pro. So the Mantis Pro is a phenomenal little tripod and stand and allows you to use it as a boom arm, or you can set it up, it rotates, gives you all sorts of features. It has a built-in phone mount so that you can use your phone as well, and just all around nice little tripod. Additionally, we have an Anker power bank for charging on the go, and the Aperture Armin ALMC. Just a nice little light that allows you to do color temperature, brightness, and even has some built-in effects that you can use. It has Bluetooth too, but I'm not going to be using that. And then finally, the last piece of my kit is the K&F Concept NP2 adjustable light filter. Super handy to be able to change the light settings on the go, or the amount of light coming in case you're out in a really bright day. So that's just a quick look at some of the different pieces that I'm going to be using. I'm super excited to have you guys on the channel, and I will see you next time.